welcome to Smooth Winds Travel YouTube channel. Come join us today as we take a ride on Walt Disney World's Transit Authority PeopleMover as we take a lap around Tomorrowland. The PeopleMover is a great way to take a little rest on, it's about a 10-minute tour around Tomorrowland aboard this emission-free mass transit system of the future. You just can sit and take a gentle ride. You will go along the Autotopia or the racetrack there into Tron, through Space Mountain, over to Carousel of Progress, Buzz Lightyear, and then kind of around by the old Stitch ride. You'll see the castle. Just a great view. I love it either during the day and the night. Great view of the fireworks too in the evening, but a great way to kind of relax, get into the shade, a little cool off, relax your feet, and take a wonderful ride on the PeopleMover.
I'm doing what she wants to do. What do you want to do? I come plenty. I'll be here next month. I know. I mean, if there's something you want to do that we haven't done, just tell me.
For your safety, remain seated at all times, keeping hands, arms, feet, legs, and other appendages inside your car. And please supervise younger kids. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your journey.
Do y'all want to go eat? What do you? I think it'd be 8 fries, but I don't know. That's why I ate. Like, okay, just do it. I didn't think I was hungry, but.
This is the TTA Blue Line, non-stop service.
It's very hot up there.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the PeopleMover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Morak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not reflect while on board. Thank you.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future.
Melinda.
Right by two of my favorite spots. First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny PeopleMover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Morak. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
That's Tron. They were building it. You can see them go on. But it doesn't yank you like those other.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
75.
Or as we locals call it, Space Mountain. Our high-speed rocket board to distant deep space destinations.
Yeah. A lot of doors. No, she said my feet closed.
Let relaxation wash over you at the most refreshing retreat in the galaxy, the coral moons of Pisces 7. You H2O it to yourself. Book today.
What, buddy?
This is Space Mountain down below.
Down the light, yeah.
Down the road.
Paging Mr. Morrow. Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you.
This is Starport 75.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you. Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
The next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual, we'll keep moving ahead, and so does the carousel. Like progress itself, this theater never stops, inspiring new generations to dream of a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
There's Stitch.
Coming up, the lady on the right, if you look at her belt buckle, there is a hidden Mickey.
Affirmative. We're on it, Buzz. You can count on us.
That's where we're going next.
Now approaching Monsters
Melinda.
Incorporated laugh floor.
Mike Wazowski has brought in some real monsters of comedy. Whether you have one eye or nine, take the time to see this show.
Dragon made of it.
Now approaching
I'm
Tomorrowland
glad you saw that.
station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our PeopleMover journey has nearly come full orbit. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. And even though we're concluding, This is always my favorite part, because now is the time, now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow, today. See you in the future.
This is the DTA
Away from the car. Thank you. Please keep arms and titty and other appendages away from the doors and remain seated
Y'all need
until
ice
they
water or
open
anything?
automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Thank you. Please keep arms and titty and other appendages away from the doors and remain seated until they open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution.
Like to